A very, very good morning to all the early year teachers and children. I hope that everybody is well and working very, very hard. We are already halfway through term 2 and we should all be working at our very best. Okay? This morning I have a few announcements to make, and then Mrs. Laverick is going to share something amazing with you all. Right, everybody, this Thursday, I'm sure you know because it's so exciting, is Pajama Day. I'm looking forward to seeing all the children and teachers coming to school on Thursday looking warm and comfortable. It's going to be a very cozy day at school. Also on Thursday, we will be finishing school at 12 o'clock. Please remind your mums and dads to come and collect you earlier that day. There is no school on Friday because it is a public holiday in Botswana. And when we leave on Thursday afternoon at 12 o'clock, can we please do so in a very orderly and sensible way? Our teachers will be walking with us to the gate all at the same time. So I really do need us to be as sensible as we possibly can. All right. I know you can do it. Right, I think I've mentioned the messages and reminders that I wanted to. So let's find out who has had a birthday this week. Right, in 1C we have Lebopo and Mohammed Isa. In 2B, Abir Rahani. In 3A, Thomas. And in 3B, Lentletsi and Clonella. Happy birthday to all the birthday children. I hope that you have a wonderful time celebrating your special day with your family and friends. Right, it is now time for me to hand over to Mrs. Laverick. She will be sharing something amazing that happened last week, and I hope that when you've watched this, you will be inspired to do the same thing next year. I hope that everybody has a wonderful long weekend. Please keep yourselves warm and safe, and I will see you again next Monday and for assembly on Wednesday. All right. Have a wonderful, wonderful day and long weekend, everybody. Bye.